If you guess this brainrot's name, you can have it.
Easy. What is it called?
You can't fool me. Guess.
Cat.
Nope.
Angry chicken cat.
What? Not even close.
Microwave owl.
Bro, what?
Bird bird.
Nope.
What is it then?
You have to guess.
This is impossible.
The name is literally above this brainrot.
Literally above this brainrot.
Nope.
You know what? I'm banning you.